Hello guys, welcome to a brand new video on Tutorials Point. In today's video, I'm going to teach you some easy steps on how you can fix your reel not uploading on Instagram error. Now to fix this error, there are three methods which I'm going to teach you. Now the first and the most simple method is to find the Instagram application on your device, and once you see the icon, long press on it and then click on the uninstall option. Once you uninstall it, just go ahead to Play Store and install it again. Sometimes once you do this, your error will be fixed. Now if this method doesn't work, the second method you can use is to check for updates and update your application. Now to check for updates, simply go to the Play Store application. Once you open up Play Store, on the bottom right corner you'll see this search bar. Go ahead and click on it. Once you click on the search option, on the top of your page there will be this search bar. Click on it and type in Instagram and then click the search option. After you click the search option, the Instagram application will pop up on your screen. Now once you see the Instagram application, just click on it. Now as you can see on the screen, the update button has been shown. So if you also see this update button, simply click on it and wait for the Instagram application to update. After the Instagram application is updated on your device, just open it up and your error should be fixed. Now if that method also didn't work for you, don't worry, I have a final method in store for you. Now for this method, simply open up the settings application on your device. After you open up the settings application, search for this apps option. After you click on apps, simply click on all apps again. Now all the applications on your device will be shown on your screen. On this screen, on the top right corner, you'll see this search option. Go ahead and click on it and then type in Instagram, and once the Instagram application pops up on your screen, go ahead and click on it. Once you click on it, you will be on this page. Now on this page, firstly click on this force stop option and then click on OK. After you do that, find the storage and cache option and click on it. Once you click on that option, you'll be redirected to another page. On this page, on the right hand side of your screen, you'll see this clear cache option. Click on it, and once the cache is cleared, you can open up Instagram again and your reel not uploading on Instagram problem will be solved. I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, share and comment on the video, and do subscribe to the channel for more such amazing tutorials. Thank you for watching.